Hello everyone, welcome to the session. So first and the foremost thing uh, is ask a doubt feature. This is an amazing one. You can crop it, take a picture, and then crop the image to highlight the specific question and find it in order to get the explanation. Then there is uh, first one, iconic cat, where you get the personal mentor, test paper analysis and report. Then there is all benefits of plus are included. On the right hand side, you find the 99 percentiles. Uh, then there is new batches that are going to uh, start up. First is 29th May, ultimate weekend batch, exclusive weekday evening batch for CAT 2021. 5th June, practice with expert for CAT 2021. Uh, India's biggest scholarship test. It is called Unacademy Combat for CAT aspirants. So enroll for free, win the scholarship from pool of 55 lakhs. It starts on Sunday at 12 noon. So use the code which has been given, which you have used to log into this session. Also scan now to enroll. The top three rankers will get first tier CAT subscription free. I apply the code on Kulkarni 1970. 4 to 10 will get 75% scholarship, 50% and 25%. Ask a doubt. Click ask a doubt on the screen, take a picture, choose from the gallery, crop the image to highlight the specific question, and select the correct question to which the question belongs. Let's start with today's session. This is the first thing example. I'll explain it to you in detail. First one, the ratio of the average income of all the years to the average profit is. Now, if I look at the income, so this is 30. Let me write it here. This one is 50. This one is 40. So as we move further, this is 60. And this is also 60. So if I look at the average income of all the years, this will be, first of all, uh, 30 plus 50, 80, 80 plus 40, 80 plus 40, 120. Let me write it systematically. Here we go. It's 30. Plus 50. Then there is 40, 60 and 60. So since they're asking for the average profit, average income, so this entire thing has to be divided by 5. This everything has to be, this is average income. Now if I look at the average profit, so average profit here, it is 10. As I move here, this will be 20. This will be 10. This will be 20. This will be 25. So what is the total? 10 plus 20 plus 10, 40, 60, 85. 85 divided by 5. So the average profit will be 85 divided by 5. So when I have to take the ratio, here 5 and here the 5 will get cancelled. So if I take the total, it will be 240 to that of 85. So when I compare, it will be like, multiplying both the values by 2, I get 480 divided by 170. So the ratio is 48 is to 70. So are we able to understand? 48 is to 17 is the correct answer for the first one. Shall we proceed further? Next. Read the second one and then we will analyze. Percentage of increase in profit from 86 over 82. 86, it is 25. How I got this 25? Let's have a look at it. $60 is the value here. $60 is the income. Expenditure is 35. I will take. So the difference between both of them is 25. When 82, it has been 30. And this has been 20. So the difference is 10. Let me write it with the same color. So here it is not 20, it will be 10. This one will be 10. If I write it as 10 and 25 is the profit in the last year. So 10, 25, if I compare, so 25 minus 10 divided by 10 into 100. So this will be 15 upon 10 into 100. So this will be 3 by 2 into 100. So this will be 150%. So the correct answer is answer option A. Are we clear with the second one? Anything that you want me to repeat? Shall we go for the third one? Yeah? Okay. The total income exceeds the total expenditure over the year 82 to 86 by what value? Total income. Total income is $30. Then next year it is $50. Then next year it is $40. Last 2 years it has been $60 and $60. So the total will be 30 plus 50, 80 plus 40, 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 60. It is equal to 240. Okay. Total income, total expenditure. Let me use it, denote it with some other color. $20, then $30, then $30, then $40, then $35. So total expenditure will be equal to, if I have to write it, 50, 80, 120, 155. So the difference between the income and the expenditure is equal to 155 subtracted from 240 will be 85 lakhs. The correct answer is 85 lakhs. Correct answer is answer option A. Clear with the third one? Any difficulty in understanding? Anything that you want me to repeat? We'll go for the next one. Okay. What is the difference in profit between 83 and 84? 83, the profit, it will be 50. Expenditure 30. So the difference is 20. Then 84, it is 40. 30. So the difference is 10. So the difference in the profit will be 20 lakhs minus 10 lakhs, which is equal to 10 lakhs. What is the difference in the profit between? So the correct answer is answer option C. Is that clear? Let us go for the next one. Total number of years in which the income is more than the average income of the given years. Now, average income of the given years, how will I calculate it? Total of all the incomes. What is the total of all the incomes? This will be uh, total income. This will be 30. This will be 50. This will be 40. This will be 60. This will be 60. So total income will be 30 plus 50 plus 40 plus 60 plus 60. So the answer is 240 is the total income. So if I have to find the average income, divide 240 by 5. So when I divide 240 by 5, 5 fours are 20. So the remaining is 40. 5 eights are 40. So it is 0. So what is the average that we are getting? We are getting an average of 40 lakhs. So the question is about, where is the 40 lakh? Just a minute. How many cases are there where the average is more than 40 lakhs? So if I look at it, I get 3 cases. Which are those cases? 50, 60, 60. So total number of cases are in the year. Let me write it. Nineteen 83, 1985, 1986. So there are 3 cases where you find the average to be more than 48 lakhs. So the correct answer is answer option C. So these are the 3 years. Okay, so have you understood this set? Shall we go for the next one? Okay. Let's move to the next set. There are 5 students applied for the job. Their scores are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and their work experience is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, let us write down the scores separately. 2, just a minute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the scores. The work experience being 0, 1, 2, 4, and 5. This is the work experience. Abhi, what happened to Abhi? Let us analyze for each of the person. Abhi score was twice that of Shiva. So in one case there is score, and in the other case it is work experience. Then there is total. Abhi score is twice that of Shiva. So when I look at the score, the only possibility being in terms of score, it is going to be either 2. Oh, okay, it is more than. So score is either 4 or 6. So Shiva's score is either 2 or 3. But Abhishek was not selected. Abhi was not selected. The person who has selected, he has his score as well as the work experience being highest. So whoever has a score and work experience being highest, that person will be selected. Rahul had work experience 3 years more than Nitin. Rahul work experience, if I look at the work experience section, Rahul work experience is either 4 or 5, which is, sorry, Rahul work experience is 3 years more than Nitin. Rahul's work experience is 3 years more than Nitin. So Nitin can have a work experience of 1 or 2. Rahul can have work experience of 4 or 5. But Nitin had score, but Rahul had a score 3 less than Nitin. So Rahul can have 2 or 3. Nitin can have 4 or 6. Sorry, 5 or 6. There is a person, we'll have one more person because there are 5 students. There is one person who has a score. Let me call him as Kiran. Kiran had a score twice that of Rahul. So Kiran will have a score of twice that of Rahul and work experience half of Rahul. Or Kiran has a score, wait, Rahul has a work experience, and work experience 3 less than, double the score of Rahul, Kiran, and work experience half. So what is the possibility? 1 or 2? Okay, 1 or 2. Now, if I look at this, Abhi or Kiran should be having a score of either 4 or 6. Correct? Abhi or Kiran will have a score of either 4 or 6. So can I say that Naveen, just a minute please. So Naveen will have a score of 5, isn't it? Naveen will be having a score of 5 because one person will have 4 and the other person will have 6. So now, if I have Naveen as a score of 5, then I know that Rahul will be having a score of 3 less than Nitin. So Rahul's score will be 3 less than Nitin, as in Rahul should be 3. Is that clear? Are you able to understand? So Rahul will have a score of 2. If Rahul has a score of 2, that means Kiran will have a score of 4. Kiran will be having a score of 4 because Rahul has a score of 2 and Kiran has double. That means Abhi will be having a score of 6. Abhi will be having a score of 6. If Abhi has a score of 6, then Shiva will have a score of 3. So as far as the scores are concerned, I'm pretty much sorted. Now since he has 4 and Rahul has a work experience double that of 3 years more than Nitin. Nitin can have this guy will have 1, Nitin will have 2, that means Rahul will have 5. Sorry, Rahul will have 4. Now, now we have 0 years experience and 5 years of experience. So Abhishek will have 0 work experience, Shiva will have 5. The reason being, okay, now this has to be 1, just a minute please, and this has to be 2. Now Abhi's total is 6, Shiva will be 8, this person is 6, this person is 6, and even this person is 6. Who got selected? Shiva got selected. So after that, we can answer all the possible questions. Thank you so much. It was a great interaction, and I wish to see you soon.